This is the eufy robot vacuum Omni S1 Pro. What really stands out is the HydroJet system with the roller mop, which helps clean floors while vacuum at the same time. It's designed to support a cleaner home with a minimal effort, making it especially convenient for busy households. I like that the Omni station handles a lot automatically, including self-emptying, auto mop washing and drying, which help reduce daily maintenance. This robot also features strong suction and smart obstacle avoidance, allowing it to move smoothly around furniture and everyday obstacles.